There has been some concern expressed about IEBC matters, and all that needs to be said at this point is that we are within the timelines and that the arrangements will be completed within the time stipulated by the relevant laws. There is no need for strong words that have been heard in some quarters in regard to this matter.
On Tuesday, we are going to nominate our 2 representatives to the selection panel on IEBC. So tunataka IEBC new commissioners wachaguliwe haraka ili kifikia tarehe 4 sheria ikianza tuchague commissioners mpya. Isaka Hassan amekubali na timu yako amekubali ile rupurupu walipwe, tuwe na tume huru mpya.